Stop wasting time with drivers. If you're getting the Missing HostID 20 error in UnlockTool, the problem is not your drivers. It's a corrupted lockdown folder. In this video, I'll show you exactly where this hidden folder is and how to reset it to fix the connection instantly. Let's fix it. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type %program data %. Once you're in Program Data, find the Apple folder and open it. Inside, you'll see the lockdown folder. Delete that entire folder to completely reset the connection and fix the error. Now that we've deleted the folder, let's try again. Success! It's working perfectly now. If this helped you, subscribe to Mobile Studio Global and drop a like. Thanks for watching.